they go search for that best wishes to the possible. Ayun nga, may your journey together be as wonderful as today. Wishing your marriage rooted in trust and understanding. Once again, congratulations on finding a perfect match. Your heart stay kind, your love stays strong, and may you fall in love with each other every single day. Once again, both of you, may God bless your marriage and God bless you.
Alright, thank you, Sir Hijack. And right now, sir, as I count 1 to 3, please say cheers for the newlyweds and couple naka-intertwine ng kamot naka-ex. Ayan. So, right now, Sir Hijack, I know you already. And to the rest of us, guys, mga ninang sa ninong sa lahat ng nasa VIP table, kindly grab your glasses. And as our best man say cheers, ayan, cheers po tagsabay to honor and to support our newlyweds. So right now, Sir Hijack, in 1, 2, 3, go.
Cheers!
Alright, cheers to the newlyweds. Again, kayo salamat. Pantay ito kag hindi makaunang kasuha. Right now, couple, kiss naman dyan. As per tradition, we will be clinking our glasses. Paghinga ang inyong mga baso to go for a 10-second kiss. Smack na ito ganyan ito. 10-second na kiss. In 1, 2, 3, go. Kiss me. Alright, 1, 2. Ulangan pa. 10 man. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, bend mom, bend mom. 7, 8. O, diba? Way balad sa sir. 9. And 10. Once again, palakpakan naman dyan to Mr. and Mrs. Lopez, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And right now, di na ko mangutana. Basig niyo ako pupukod. I know, gutom na kayong lahat.